Ever since I tried this, I wake up feeling rested and more relaxed. Take a towel that's roughly the width of your door. It doesn't need to be a perfect fit. Lay the towel on the floor and gently slide it under the door gap, ensuring it's even on both sides. Roll the towel tightly, just like shown in the video. Next, use rubber bands to secure both ends of the towel on either side of the door. This will keep the towel from shifting or unrolling when you open or close the door. This way, the towel will fit snugly, creating an effective barrier against noise and light. It's a simple way to make your space more restful without investing in expensive insulation accessories. The towel blocks sounds and light that can disrupt sleep. Plus, this method allows you to easily adjust privacy and comfort levels in your bedroom, promoting better relaxation and recovery after a long day.